Good day, grade 7.
I am your teacher, Marie.
Good day, grade 7. Now we're going to discuss a new topic. Let us enjoy watching while learning.
Our lesson for today is all about the linear equation in one variables. So relationship between two quantities can be called an equation or an inequality. Two forms of equation or inequalities, a knowledge of properties of operation is necessary so that we have to manipulation of expression can be handled easily. So many practical problems in the real world required skill in dealing with equation and formulas, such that we have the problems are those that deals with numbers, relation, cost, wage, and money problems, distance rate time problem, as well as measurement and investment problems. So how do we differentiate equation to inequalities in one variable? So what could be the relationship between the two quantities? So now let us first discuss what is the linear equation or the equation in one variables. So we have here the linear equation in one variable. That will be our topic for today. So in the previous lesson, we have translated verbal phrases to mathematical symbol which became algebraic expression. In grammar, we have phrases that does not express a complete thought, only sentence does. Similarly, in mathematics, a mathematical phrases or expression does not express a complete thought. Only mathematical systems, only mathematical sentence does. A word phrases or the word phrases that we have the sum of 7 and 11. We can translate it into the word phrases or the number phrases. We have 7 plus 11. It is not a sentence because it does not express a complete thought. Considered other example of phrases, we will do respective translations. So here are the other examples. We have the word phrases and the number phrases. So the difference between 30 and 9, so we have the number phrases 30 minus 9. The product of 12 and y, so we have the number phrases 12y. The sum of 5x and 15y, so we have the number phrases 15x plus 15y. Again, we have the number phrases 5x plus 15y. So we consider now the expression. We have the sum of 7 and 11 is 18. In this expression, this is properly translated as 7 plus 11 is equal to 18. So you have noticed that the expression becomes a complete sentence. It is the word sentence because of the action word is, or a number sentence because of the symbol of equality or the equal sign. Again, look at the number sentence. We have 7 plus 11 equals 18. So the number phrases 7 plus 11 and 18 are connected by equality symbols. We have the equality symbols. Then the mathematical sentences make use the relational symbols like equal, less than, greater than, less than or equal, or greater than or equal, and greater than or equal to. So, if the mathematical sentence use equal sign, then it is an equation. Otherwise, it is inequality. So, first, in the linear equation, we use equal sign. So, word problem can be solved if you translate into equation or inequality. An equation is a mathematical sentence that shows two equal expressions. So let us give an example. 3x plus 5 is equal to 20 is an equation. So the left side of the equation, 3x plus 5, must be equal to the right side of the equation, which is 20. So we have 3x plus 5 is equal to 20 is an example of the linear equation in one variable. A linear equation is in the form of ax plus b is equal to c, where a, b, and c are all real numbers. and a is not equal to 0. So here are the examples of the linear equation in one variable. So number 1, 3 times the number is equal to 9. So we can translate it in the numbers phrases. We have 3x is equal to 9. The number 2, the sum of the number and 7 is 12. So we can translate in the mathematical sentence as x plus 7 is equal to 12. Then number 3, we have the number less than 5 is 16. So we can translate it in mathematical sentence as x minus 5 is equal to 16. Then number 4, 10 divided by a number is equal to 2. So here we have the variable x as a representation of a number. So we have 10 over x, or 10 divided by x is equal to 2. So an equation may be either true or false. So 2 plus 8 is equal to 10 is true equation since 2 plus 8 is really 10. How about if we have 2x plus 5 is equal to 15? Is an equation that can be either be true or false depending on the value of x. So there is only one variable of x that will be make the equation true. So this equation is called the conditional equation since they are true for a specific value of x. If x is equal to 5, then 2x plus 5 is equal to 15 is true because 2 times 5 is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So when a number replaces a variable to result in a true equation, that number is a solution. So therefore, x is equal to 5. 5 is our given solution. So the set of all solutions of the given equation is called the solution set. Okay? For example, the solution set of the equation in the following integers. So we have x plus 3 is equal to 9. Then x is equal to 6. For the given example, the solution set of the equation in the given integers x plus 3 is equal to 9, where x is equal to 6. So the solution of the equation can be illustrated on the horizontal number line or in the given number line. So for examples, we have the graph the equation in the set of integers. What number minus 2 is equal to 3? So we have x minus 2 is equal to 3, therefore x is equal to 5. So here we have showed that the number is 5 or x is equal to 5 shows here with a solid dot or the coordinate 5. Okay? Then let us graph the equation of the set of integers. What number added to 4 result is 1? So we have x plus 4 is equal to 1. So x is equal to negative 3. So here we have showed that the graph, here we have showed that the solution is x is negative 3. So here is the solution. So to solve an equation means to find its solution set. There are 3 different ways to solve equation in the form of ax plus b is equal to c, where a, b, and c are constant or real numbers and x is the given variables. So let us consider the equation 2x plus 6 is equal to 14. So first way how to solve the equation is guess and check. So this method guesses and substitute to see if it is true equation result. So if x is equal to 1, so 2 times 1 is equal to 2 plus 6 is not equal to 14. So it is not true. It is a false. So another try we have is x is equal to 2. So if x is equal to 2, we have 2 times 2 plus 6 is not equal to 14. Then another try we have x is equal to 3. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6 plus 6 is not equal to 14. So we have x is equal to 4. Let us try x is equal to 4. So 2 times 4 is equal to 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Therefore, we have guessed that x is equal to 14. Therefore, 4 is the solution. Another method is cover up. In this method, one cover up the term with the variables as blank. So is equal to positive 6. We have 2x plus 6 is equal to 14, right? So we're going to cover up the 2x. So we got blank plus 6 is equal to 14. So to result, it is true statement that the blank or the cover up term must be 8. Therefore, we have 2x must be equal to 8 and x must be 4. Since we have 2 times 4 is 8, therefore, we have the solution is 4. Another is working backwards. In this method, the reverse procedures is used. The left side of the diagram shows that x is multiplied by 2 and 6 is added to get 14. Thus, if 6 is subtracted from 14 and divided by 2, the value of x can be obtained. So we have the x is equal to 4. So the solution here is equal to 4. So that it will be the 3-way how to solve the linear equation or the solution of the given equations. Let us remember, so in writing or rewriting equation involving subtraction or division, the addition and multiplication properties of equality can be used. So subtracting a positive number from both sides is the same as adding the negative or the additive inverse of the numbers. Dividing both sides of a non-zero number is the same as multiplying both sides by the reciprocal of a number. So take note for that.
Thank you. Enjoy watching while learning. This is your teacher, Miss Marimar F. Figalan.